Welcome back to this course. So we're done creating a page and we placed there the overview of the module and the learning objectives. So in the past videos as well, we talk about how to create multimedia content, particularly screen recorded videos, lecture videos. And we now go to the next content type that is part of our learning module, and that is a lecture file. So it's important that we differentiate a file from a folder in terms of how to structure your learning modules later on. But let's first define what a file is. So a file is the common storage unit in a computer, and all programs and data are written into a file and read from a file. So it's the basic storage unit, and there can be several types of files. I'll talk about some of them later. But the most common file are called document. It's called a document. So that contains text. So a text or a file that contains text is often called a document. So a folder, on the other hand, so it holds one or more files, and it can be empty until it is filled, and it can also contain other folders which we call subfolders. So a folder provides a method for organizing files, much like an envelope file folder containing paper documents in a file cabinet. So that's a folder. So you store your files in a folder, and this folder can be local, meaning it's stored in your computer, or it could also be stored online. So this is where your Google Drive or OneDrive or your Dropbox comes into play. It's where you actually upload your folders containing files. And once it's uploaded, you could simply share those folders containing your files to your students so that they could also access those files. That's if you're not using an LMS. But if you're using a learning management system, that structuring can be easily done in an LMS. So you could have folders and files in an LMS. So we'll be showing that later. So here are some of the common files that are available for you to upload or create lecture notes. So you have their documents. So these are your docx, doc, and PDF. The most common uploaded files for downloading would be PDF. So by the way, if you notice the icon on the right side of your screen, the one with an arrow down, an arrow pointing down, so that means if you see that icon, that file is downloadable. Okay, so that's the icon for download file. So other types of files that you could also upload and can be downloaded later by your students would be spreadsheets. So Excel spreadsheets, and you have your presentation files. If you want to make your presentation files available to your students for download, then you could also do so. You have also web text pages and web page images. So, well, it depends if you're knowledgeable about how to make or how to save files using web HTML structure, then it's also, you could do so in an LMS. And of course, you also have multimedia files like MP3 for audio, MP4 for video. So those are the common files. But for our example, we will be doing, or we will be uploading a document, a PDF file. So I'll just exit my presentation and I'll be showing to you a file. So this one would be uploaded as part of the introduction to accounting module, learning module. So this is a PDF file. So it was created previously in Word and was saved or exported as a PDF file. So why PDF? Because it's not editable, so you are able to preserve how it looks like regardless of operating system or version of the document reader that you will be using. So it's standard practice that if you have lecture notes like this one, it's best to have it saved as a PDF, so it would also be easier for your students to read. PDF files are also easily opened by web browsers and even by mobile phone devices. So yeah, so that's it for this video. So I'll be uploading this file into our LMS and I'll be showing to you an updated LMS later in the next video. Alright then, I hope you found value in this video and so far you're learning. See you in the next video.